Today we are going thrifting. Been wanting to go thrifting for a couple of weeks now. I just feel like I need to thrift. I've been having this urge to thrift. So we are going today. We are in the very first location, and then after we're gonna try to head to another location. I'm super excited. I have my eyes open. I feel like I really looked at inspiration before coming here, so that's always a good thing. Make sure you are inspired and you know what you're looking for when you head to the thrift store, so you're not there like going through clothes forever. I'm really looking for some spring pieces. A lot of the things that I'm looking for are Pinterest inspired or things off of my Pinterest board, but we're gonna mask up. Okay, let's go. I already found this Mickey shirt. It's a light pink long sleeve large men's shirt. Look how pretty this sweater vest is. I would get it, but it looks like it's more for Christmas time. I'm now at the jeans area. It's always hard looking for jeans. I do want to find like colorful jeans. I found these blue jeans. It's just they don't fit on me. I already know they don't fit. We're gonna put that back. I found these airy. They're super soft. I think they're leggings. They're large. I really loved the purple color. Okay, I spotted these green pants, but I can already tell they're not my size. Yeah, they're definitely not my size. But they're... oh, and they're actually kind of short. Never mind on that. I just saw the green and then I saw the pink and I got too excited. Is this my size? These are actually not gonna fit. They're size 6. I'm usually a size 4 and they do look a little wide as well. They're not really high-waisted. They look more like mid-rise. So, and they have like a skinny-ish fit. So I'm like, no. But these two colors are so cute together. Found some Levi's. They look like a straight leg. Wait, that's so cute. That's so cute. I wonder if it fits. I doubt it though. Let me see if these Levi's fit. Okay, I think they might be too big. Yeah. I'm sad. They're so nice though. They're a 31 waist and then 30 length. But the quality and just like the color just looks so nice. I love it. So sad. Ooh, what are these? What is this? Oh, they're not even like full length jeans. How about this? It's a pretty blue color. 2XL. Okay, nothing seems to be in my size today. Look how cute this top is. I love the pink. It's for golf, Liz Golf, but it's just a large and I kind of would like it if it was cropped. This sweater is so cute. Look at the fur, but it looks a little worn out because of the sleeves, and I'm guessing it had fur on the sleeves. Yeah, but it's still really cute. I love the collars. Look at this cute cardigan. It has so many pretty colors. It's a short sleeve. I don't know how I feel about it. Okay. I just got back from the thrift store. Honestly, jinxed it. I really didn't find anything and I was there for quite a while. I think I've honestly been here for almost an hour and that's pretty long for me. And if I haven't found anything, I'm slowly starting to give up. I was mainly in like the pants and the women's section and I honestly couldn't find anything. Once I got into men's graphic tees, I actually found 2. So I'm really happy about that. So now I'm gonna go to the next location. Hopefully it'll be a little bit better. I don't usually go to this location. I usually go to the one that I'm going to now. So let's hope that is much better than here. So let's go. couple of days and I've washed the clothes and everything, so now I want to show you guys what I got. I've kind of been waiting to film it to try it on, so let's get started. Okay, we're first gonna try on the 3 tees. I'm kind of sad because I feel like I should have gotten more than just oversized t-shirts, but that's okay. And then I'm also gonna try on the 2 pants that I got. Let's start off with the pink top because this is the one that's like actually catching my eye. It's this oversized pink tee and it has Branson. I'm guessing it's Missouri. It's just so pretty, like the mountains. I love the design. So this is the oversized tee. I feel like it'd be nice to pair this with like biker shorts. I'm gonna try them on with these green biker shorts. Okay, that is so cute. I feel like if I also had like a purse. I am summer ready. It might be a little too long for these biker shorts, but I mean, it's still cute. Like I would still wear this more for like a casual day, obviously. Now we're gonna try this oversized tee and it actually kind of matches these biker shorts, which is really cute. But we're not gonna do that. We're gonna match it with the pants that I got. These are the corduroy Calvin Klein straight leg jeans. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it's still super cute that it matches, and I never planned that, so I love that. This is what it looks like on the back. It's a event called Splash House. It's a drink. What is that? A cocktail? Dude, I don't even know like my terms for drinks, but that's that shirt. I just think it's so cute. I'm like really hoping they fit. I think the only thing is they're mid-rise. I just really like high-waisted things, and I feel like this is gonna give me a camel toe. So they fit, kind of, I guess. I mean, I guess they do fit. I just wish they were a little bit high-waisted. I don't know if you can see, but this is what the bottom looks like. I don't know if you would call it straight leg. It's a little bit skinnier than a straight leg, but let me see and try it with a top, like a nicer top. So this is the outfit. I don't know how I feel about it. I just don't like the fact that my belly button is showing and I feel like I have a camel toe. I love the pants. I just wish they were a tiny bit higher. The back is nice. I love how the back looks. This top is also from Zaful, if you guys are wondering. What do you guys think? Would you guys wear these jeans, or are you more of like a high-waisted kind of person? I feel like you guys are looking at my camel toe, and one of the last 2 things is this oversized white tee. I just really like this t-shirt because it has really cute flowers, but also it has like super cute jewels here as well. I don't know, I just kind of gravitated towards it, and then it also has the same design on the sleeves. Let's try her on. I guess this is all just a casual thrift haul. I have the top on. I literally just put it over the top I was wearing before. I don't know. Again, it is oversized, so it does go like that. I mean, this is like a baggy look. Like, it's still really cute. Last but not least are these Forever 21 pants. I don't know why I got them. I think it's just because they remind me of sweats and I just want some lounge pants. Wait, this is kind of cute. Oh wait, you can see my underwear. Wait, that's kind of cute. You guys, I love the pants. I do wish they had pockets. I love pants with pockets. I actually really like them. This was not the haul I was expecting. I thought I would go in and find all of these trendy pieces from Pinterest and like Instagram and all that stuff, but sometimes it doesn't work like that. But for sure, I definitely feel like you'll find a lot of the trendy pieces right now at the thrift stores. We are just recycling trends, people. So I'm definitely gonna try again and find a couple more things and maybe film it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you still somewhat enjoyed this, even though again it was kind of not what I was hoping for. But would you have picked it off of the rack and bought it yourself, or am I just a weirdo? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to do so. I would love to have you here. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.